how to fix YouTube TV not working on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can fix YouTube TV not working on iPhone. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is restart the YouTube TV app. Over here, double tap the home button and swipe up to close the app. After that, wait for a few seconds and then reopen the app. Then check for updates. Go to the App Store, search for YouTube TV, and ensure that the app is updated to the latest version. After that, verify your internet connection. Check your internet speed using tools like Ookla to ensure you have a stable connection. You can also try switching to cellular data. Next, uninstall and reinstall the app. Over here, delete the YouTube TV app from your iPhone and then reinstall it from the App Store. Then check for restrictions, go to settings, find YouTube, and ensure the toggle next to background app refresh is turned on. After that, restart your iPhone. To do this, press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Finally, check the YouTube TV server status. Visit the YouTube TV network status page on Down Detector to see if there are any reported outages. So that's how you can fix YouTube TV not working on iPhone. That's all for this video.